Yes, good morning everyone. Today we people are going to discuss about nervous system, especially in animals. So in our day-to-day life, there are some situations where we people are responding to some situations, like when we are touching some hot objects, or when we people are touching some sharp objects. Clear? So how we people are going to detect such type of things? So there are nerve cells. Nerve cells means basically these are named as neurons. This is the structure of the neuron, and these neurons are present in all the sense organs. Now we already know we are having five senses. Clear? So in all those five senses, these type of neurons are there. Now, how these are working, that is the most important thing. Now, see the structure. So, these are having these branches like structure. These are actually dendrite. Clear? These are actually dendrite, and how these are connected. See this diagram. This is the muscle cell, and these are the dendrites which are attached to our muscles. Clear? So these dendrites, these are actually catching the signal. These are actually getting the message from the outside, because these are under the skin, you can say. I am talking about here muscles. These are attached to the muscles. These are attached to under the skin. Clear? Because we know that sense of touch. Clear? So whenever we are dealing with a sharp object, or we are dealing with a hot object, at that time these dendrites, which are branch like structures outside this, these are detecting such type of signals, and they are sending a chemical reaction. Clear? Which create an electrical impulse. So electrical impulse means it's a type of electrical signal that is sent further, and that travels from dendrite to the cell body, from this side to the cell body. This is the cell body. It contains a nucleus. Clear? So that electrical impulse, electrical signal will go to the cell body first. Then after that, through that cell body, it will go along axon. What is axon? This part. This part is named as axon. Clear? Then through this axon, this electrical impulse is going, and it will go to the nerve ending. Clear? Here at this nerve ending, what will happen? Again, the chemicals will released from this side. Clear? Now we people know that neuron, it's not a single neuron in our body. Millions of neurons are there, and these are attached one after another, but there is a gap between them. Clear? So there is a gap between them. What's the name of that? That gap is known as synapse. Clear? So in that gap, what is happening? The electrical impulses, they just got transferred to, or they just got changed to a chemical signal, and that chemical signal will again be converted to the electrical signal by the dendrites of the next neuron, which is present over here, and this process will go further on as it is. Clear? So this is the process by which we people are getting the reaction, or we people are giving the reaction, or we people are detecting something, whether it's hot, sharp, or anything else, by just sense of touch. These are present in all the senses, I have already told you. Clear? So now which type of questions can be there? CBSE can ask this type of questions, these type of questions, sorry. So identify the parts of neuron. Clear? You have to identify the parts. Clear? Means a picture based question can be there. Then next thing, where information is acquired, means they can write this as A, this can be B, this can be C, this can be D, you have to label them and you have to mark them that at position A the information is collected, then at position C information is given forward, then to B, then to D. Clear? So these types of questions can be asked by CBSE. So I hope you understand this, and the diagram is very much important, so note it down carefully.